Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows 11 or Windows 10 update error 0x800f0806 that you are experiencing on your Windows computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings and then click mo lang tong open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under nito ay makita mo dito yung options and then select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under nito ay select mo lang yung Windows update and then click mo lang tong run. And then wait natin ito na ma-complete yung detecting problems po niya. Alright, so after ma-complete dito sa troubleshooters, so close lang natin ito. And then next step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or yung command prompt and then click mo lang tong run as administrator. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin enter to command keyword na to and then copy lang natin and then paste natin dito and then press mo lang yung enter and then wait natin ito na mag-scan completely. Alright, so after verifications 100% complete and then another command keyword na kailangan lang natin enter ay ito siya. So i-copy lang natin ito and then ilalagay ko ito sa description box. Alright, and then paste lang natin dito. And then next, press mo lang yung enter. And then wait natin ito na maging 100% complete yung pag-scan niya mga kaibigan. Okay, so the operation is completed successfully. So pagkatapos itong dalawang command keyword na to and then next step na pwede natin gawin ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart, okay? Para ma-fix yung problem. So click mo lang tong restart. Yes, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang 0x800f0806 update, download or install in Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.